Gold and silver both have given a gap down opening today and attempted already to fill the gap, now trading with a drop at 1998 and 2480. So what to expect today? Which position you should take in order to profit trading gold and silver? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the twice a day analysis. The next update will be released before the US session. Do watch that also. Let's start. First we'll look into gold followed with silver. Do watch till the end. Do listen to it carefully. Note down the levels, trade as per the. Now if you look at the complete movement, see consolidation here. Drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop. Now again trying to get the support here at 1995 levels. Remember the rally started from here at 1980-85 zone. And this was a, you can say, liquidity shortage, which, because see, in couple of candles the price moved sharply up and now it is trying to cover those movements, and hence below 1995 you can again expect a little drop which might take it till towards 1991-88 zone, and then 85-80 levels. See, till 1980 it has got very strong support. You can see this was the previous consolidation zone and this is going to be now the next support zone. I will be definitely watching out how it behaves at 1995 levels. Below that, till 1980 it has got very strong support. See, the stochastic is looking down, the MACD is divergent, and if you look at the RSI, this has also come to almost oversold zone. It was trading overbought and now have come towards oversold levels. And if you look at 2-hour charts, likewise on the 2-hour charts, see, it is skewed on the downside. And see, first thing you need to remember, it needs to break past this channel on the upside, which means 2010 is the level above which you can expect a buy entry, but then 2020 is the level only above which you can say that it is going to trade bullish. You can buy at 2010 and expect it to rise more. Till 2010, I will recommend you not to enter a buy position in gold today. Now look at the stochastic. This has dropped sharply. The MACD also has dropped sharply. It is trading with divergence. It is trading bearish. The RSI has also come to near to bottom. And if you look at 3-hour chart, see beautifully, though super trend also has signaled a sell entry here on the 3-hour charts. The candles are trying to, engulf itself within the previous candle. And if you look at the support there from the 50 period moving average is coming handy here at 1995 levels. The stochastic has dropped a bit. The MACD is divergent and bearish here, and it has also come to comfortable level. And if you look at the RSI, this has also dropped significantly. Now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts also similar is the observation. 20 period average, exponential average, giving it a good resistance at around 2006 2005 levels. And yes, a buy entry is only about 2010. Remember this fact. Now on the upside 2010 2020, and on the downside 1980 1990 zone is going to remain a very stronger resistance and support zone. See, the stochastic has dropped significantly. The MACD on the 4-hour charts is divergent, bearish, looking down. It can try to stretch the drop. RSI is also looking down here. And if you look at the daily, now see on the daily charts, right now the complete movement is engulfed between the previous candle. And that is where 2006, 2010 levels are going to play an important role, because beyond 2010, see, previously we have seen lower highs, lower lows. Lower lows means at least 1990, 1985 levels can be seen. Now see, 1990 first support and 80-second support, very strong support zone exists here. So I'll be definitely watching out how it behaves in these levels. Stochastic has dropped a bit. It was trading overbought. The MACD is trying to cross over for a sell. This is the second time it is trying to cross over. We may see it stretching the drop, and hence you should remain cautious. The RSI is also looking downward. Now look at weekly charts. It is open at a lower levels, and the stochastic is also overbought here. The MACD though is divergent and bullish, and it is still looking upwards. RSI is also near to top. So considering this, for the day, I will recommend you to sell at 1995 levels and expect it to drop a little. You can expect 1990, 85, 80 as a very strong support, and below 1980, the next support levels are going to come at 70, 60 and 50 levels. See, till 1940, it has all the possibility for it to reverse, and hence till 1940, you have to strictly trade with a trailing stop loss there. It is trying to drop a bit. Be cautious. You can sell at 1995 and stay with the shorts there. On the upside, only buy entry today is above 2010 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 21st batch starts today. Registrations are open, and reach out to me for more details. My telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at silver on the hourly chart. One thing is very clear, $25 levels is something it is not willing to go past by, and hence a buy entry is only if you see it trading above 25.05 levels, 25.05 levels. If you see it trading above 25.05, you can buy, but then it has to break past 25.20 in order to trade bullish. Now see what it is doing right now here is it is trading with an expanding zone. And also if you look at this candle, now see there is a lot much of liquidity gap in just 1 hour candle. Prices has jumped sharply. It is trying to cover a bit. 2460 2450 levels is going to be a very strong support, and below that 2420 levels is going to be seen. For the day you can sell here at 2470. Expect 2460, 2450, and then 2440 levels. Every 10 cents, keep booking profits. The stochastic is looking down. The MACD is divergent and bearish. RSI looking down. And if you look at 2-hour charts, similar is the observation on the 2-hour chart. See, it is breaking out here. But 2470 is a very good support. $25 is a very good resistance. Let it give a breakout either which ways. Stochastic looking down. The MACD is divergent and bearish here. RSI is also looking down, showing slight bearishness. Look at 3-hour charts, the 20 period moving average giving it a slight support. But one thing is clear, $25 levels is a wall out there. So till 25 anyways we are not going to buy. Stochastic looking down. MACD divergent and bearish. RSI is also looking down, trying to trade slightly bearish. And on the 4-hour charts, this is the first red candle after a couple of greener candles trading outside the box. That is what I will be looking forward to. 2470 2460 levels it's need to breach, and then till 2450 it has got very good support. Below that 2420 levels will be seen. Stochastic overbought looking down. MACD divergent and bearish. This is also looking down here. RSI is also looking down, showing slight bearishness. Now look at the daily charts. Now see on the daily charts, first lower highs, lower lows, which means the support here at 2450 for the day is going to be very strong. You can sell it here at 2470, expect 2450 levels, and in fact it can drop below on the downside. Below 2450, 2420 is the next support levels. You have to be watchful there. The stochastic on the daily charts is trading extremely overbought. The MACD is in green, trying to converge here, and see this also is happening at a slightly higher levels, which means if it converges, crosses over, it can enter into bearish territory. The RSI is also overbought, and hence a little drop cannot be denied. Hence you can sell here at 2470 and expect it to drop for 2450, 2420 and below levels. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Only buy entries about 25 levels, beyond which it can expect you can expect 2510, 2520 till 2520. Possibility of a reversal exists. About 2520 we can see again a rally. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for more details. My telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.